Let's face it, bidets are the best when it comes to toilet hygiene.
But all bidets are not created equal.
What, you've never seen a bum cleaning device like this before?
And carrying a bidet around means you risk leaking water into your bag as well.
Thankfully, we have developed the solution.
Introducing Bidoo, an ultra-compact, ultra-adaptable, and fuss-free manual bidet that you can bring with you wherever you go. Its ergonomic angle has been developed to give you the most comfortable position without straining. Our specially designed bottle gives a generous spray of water at one go, so you don't have to keep pumping. And the best part is, after you're done, you can even pre-fill it for your next trip to the loo. Just fill, turn the spout inward, and cap it in. No leakage, no spill, no fuss. It's so light that you can bring it with you anywhere and any time, be it while traveling, doing your daily errands, at work, even at home. Our innovative design just gets even better. The spout fits to all common pet bottles, so you can just bring the spout along to make it even more compact. Say hi to the new era of being fresh and clean, anytime and any place, with Bidoo. Do clean better.